Hello everyone, I hope I find you in a good, relaxed mood, and if not, I hope this video is going to help you relax and sit comfortable in your chair, have a cup of tea or coffee or a hot chocolate, and let's just dive in together in the wonderful, magical autumnal atmosphere. This video is something else than my other ones, mostly because I have much less time to make such videos as I used to, and in the last couple of months I've been very occupied with illustrations, portraits and other projects, so I couldn't focus on YouTube, especially when those videos were like a full-time job. Also, my iPhone was making problems with many ridiculous errors. So I bought the camera, but its battery holds for just half an hour. So you see, many irritating little things, and I left video making for some time. Now I wish to do much simpler ones, like the type that Jenny Journals creates. Nothing about teaching anymore, but a calming and inspiring experience. Currently, I'm also working on my website with eShop, so soon all my products like calendars, art prints, wedding invitations, and soon also stickers, I hope, and journaling prints will be there for sale. So subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram to know when I'll finally launch it. My huge dreams recently is to buy Cricut and sell my own stickers, but I'm still struggling with my budget. Although I've managed to buy an inkjet printer, which is Epson EcoTank L850. If you're interested, I will write it under the video in the description. I must say, it is not an easy task to choose a printer. I've been looking for months and it was horrible because you cannot see how your art will look printed. Make a test run or something like that. So thank God for YouTubers who have shown their printers so I could see the quality at least a bit. Anyways, I'm super satisfied with this printer. It prints crispy images with nice vivid colors on every paper. Nevertheless, I have to adjust the settings every time before printing on different papers, and it can take me up to an hour to be fully satisfied with the result. But it's like that with all the printers, so I just want to urge you that it's completely normal and don't lose hope. Recently I've upgraded my workspace, made it really pretty, like Instagram pretty, if you know what I mean. That each corner of the table and everything above it could make a terrific IG photo. I've done it on purpose, of course, but since then I feel such simple joy from just sitting by the desk, surrounded by beautiful things, put it in a visual order. I must say, I've needed that zen for a long time, especially now when I started pursuing my freelance career. I need this feeling even more. But the most annoying thing that happens to me recently even more often is being overwhelmed with inspirations. And who's to answer for that? Of course, YouTube. I watch too many do-it-yourself YouTube tutorials. They're so good that after each one I feel like doing those things immediately. But then I'll need the equipment and where to buy it, and the headache starts. Oh my god. You know what I'm talking about? Have you ever felt like this? Like having such a huge chaos in your head and wanting to do too many things at once, unable to focus and pick one at a time. When you type in how to become an illustrator or how to start making wedding invitations or any other freelance profession, they will all tell you to find a focus on some style and be persistent. Be good at one thing at the beginning and build your name on it. Well, fuck, the hell with it. Because I like doing everything and I have to do everything, and I cannot just shut the door on something that my heart wishes to create. It's so hard, guys. Maybe I'll calm down once I'm old, but I guess it's probably just my character. I'm curious if you also struggle like this. I hope I will run out of ideas one day and follow one path, but only when someone will ban YouTube for me, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed the other type of video, and I'll see you in the next one.